What's up, gang? Good morning. Today is currently Wednesday, November. Damn, I'm tripping. Cut. Hey, what's up, gang? Today is January. Fuck, I'm tripping. Wait a minute. Hey, what's up, gang? Today is Wednesday, March 5th, and I am currently in the South Carolina area. It is a tornado watch right now, and it's really windy. It's really rainy. It's cloudy and gloomy. And I am driving in the mix of the bullshit. I will be dropping a vlog sometime later on today or tomorrow. I just wanted to send some cyber love out to the honey tribe. If you are out here driving in this mess, please be safe. I am going to take it easy myself. I am only going between 50 and 55 miles per hour. I am over 40,000 pounds. So I'm heavy and the wind is still swishing me across the road. That's how you know this shit is strong. You know this shit real if I'm over 40,000 pounds and this shit is still swishing me every which way but right. This wind ain't no joke. The rain, the combination of the wind, the rain, and the wind and the rain, it's getting real. I had to pull over again. After I got that tornado watch earlier, it basically told me to seek shelter until 8 a.m. But I had already been parked. I didn't move yet, but I started rolling and it started to pick up some more. I'm like an hour or two into my drive and it started picking up some more. So I pulled over. I don't feel safe driving in this. I just don't feel safe driving in this. I told my dispatcher, my ETA, my fleet manager, my ETA for when I drop this motherfucker told me to still get the load there ASAP. I just told you I'm driving through a tornado. Why would you? But whatever. I did get a warning this morning on my phone saying that to take shelter, that I was in a tornado watch area. So up until 8 a.m. But I did get rolling after that. But I'm just taking it slow. I'm heavy as hell, so I'm like not losing control of the vehicle, but it's just like I don't have full 100% control of the vehicle because of the inclement weather. I still have a total of 418 miles left on this run. The total run was like almost 600 miles. That's a good 8-9 hours. But I'm still at 418. I'm not going to be there no time soon. It ain't going to be till later on this evening, if it be even today. If this keeps picking up like this and it gets worse and worse, I'm not gonna drive in this. I just can't. Safety first. Y'all make sure y'all be safe. Y'all make sure y'all turn that hit that notification bell so you will be notified when your girl drop new content or go live. I'm sending you all cyber love, peace, and good vibes y'all way. It's your favorite cousin Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Until next time, y'all have a blessed day.